Hello guys, in this video I am going to discuss about the form FDA form 1572. So there are some forms or document that we need to make because the efficient conduction of the clinical trial. So there are some forms, so we need to prepare to by investigator, by sponsor, and by some so in this video I am going to discuss particularly FDA form 1572. So it is nothing but the statement of investigator. So it is a statement that investigator makes to for the clinical trial, and it review by the sponsor. So first we discuss about the what is the investigate. So FDA form 1572 is the investigator statement that investigator makes to the sponsor. So it is a statement of investigator form FDA 1572. It is an agreement that signed by the investigator to provide the certain information regarding the clinical trial or the other information to the sponsor, and assure that he or she will comply with FDA regulations related to the conduction or the clinical investigation of an investigational drug or biologic. So it is nothing but the statement that investigator made by himself to the sponsor to inform that sponsor whether they are following regulations of FDA or not. So this statement is made by the investigator to sponsor. So FDA does not require the form to be submitted to the agency, means this form is not required to the submission of FDA with the IND or NDA application, but it is the statement that investigator makes make to the sponsor whether they are following regulations of FDA for conduction of the clinical trial. So this is about the investigator statement of FDA form 1572. So why does this form need to be completed by investigator? So why this form is required, or why this form is made by the investigator? So form FDA 1572 serve two main purpose. So first one is to provide the sponsor with the investigator qualification and information about the clinical site. So the sponsor it provide the qualification of investigators and other staff members which is follows the qualification as given by the FDA. So this statement is, or this information is given by the in this form. And second one is the to inform and clarify the obligation of the investigator and acquire investigators a commitment to follow pertinent FDA regulations. And second purpose of this form is investigator check whether the sponsor is followed all the regulations of FDA or not. So this statement is given by the investigator to the sponsor, and the investigator must complete the form as accurately as they can, and must understand that a willful false statement is a criminal offense. Means if a sponsor is not followed any regulations of FDA, then the investigator or the person who is responsible for the making of this form, they will inform to the sponsor. So if they are not informed to the sponsor, then this statement is it's a criminal offense. Means it becomes a criminal offense. So next one is a submission of deliberately false statement to sponsor or the agency can lead to disqualification. Means if there is any lack of guidelines or the regulations which sponsor not followed, so if it's a responsibility of investigator to inform to the sponsor regarding that regulations. So this form makes this statement of the investigator to the sponsor. So next one is a when must this form be completed and signed by an investigator? So when this form is made or signed by the investigator, so before the permitting the investigator to begin participation in the clinical investigation. Means this form is made by the investigator before the conducting actual clinical trial, because they because the investigator check all the regulations whether the sponsor is followed or not. So next one is a investigator should sign the form only after being given enough information to be informed about the clinical investigation. So after the reviewing all the clinical data, after that investigator should provide or should make this FDA form 1572 to the sponsor, so to identify the whether the sponsor is followed all the regulation as per the FDA or not. So this is about the FDA form 1572 that investigator should make before the conducting actual clinical trial. So it gives the idea about the regulations and the FDA laws and regulation that need to follow when they are going to conducting clinical trial. So for that purpose investigator make this application to the sponsor. So this is about the FDA form 1572. So thank you guys.